Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning how you can easily change a dress color in Affinity Photo. So without much further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is to make sure you select the dress you want to change its color. So go over to the toolbar and select the selection brush tool. Hit Z on your keyboard to zoom closely to where you want to select. So once you have selected the brush tool, you can use the bracket keys on your keyboard to increase or decrease the size of the brush. So let's increase the size of the brush a little. Then you paint over to the dress you want to select. So let's paint over. Carefully paint over, please. Good. So you zoom to some other places. So you will reduce the brush size so as you can be able to brush some other areas on the dress. So let's reduce the brush size and paint. Good. So let's check some other size too. Good. Let's paint over here. Good. Then at this over edge, hold your alternate to go back to areas like this. So once you hold your alternate on your keyboard and paint to this area, it will take them back to the normal size you want to paint. So that's how you do it. So carefully do that. Good. So let's watch it closely as we do it together. For your alternate to deselect some other areas that you don't want to. So let's bring this close, reduce the size of the brush, then carefully paint along. Good. Hold the alternate to deselect some size. Good. You can as well zoom close, reduce the size of the brush, and paint. Good. So let's check properly. Let's paint to these areas also. Good. This is good. Let's hold your alternate to deselect some other areas. Good. Let's increase the brush size. Good. So let's check properly. Let's do same here. Let's increase the size of the brush a little. Good. Deselect some other side. Good. I think we are almost done. Good. Perfectly okay. I think we're okay with this. So the next step we're going to do is to go on the adjustment layer and work on the HSL. So click on the adjustment properties to come up and click on the HSL. So on the HSL panel, you are free to work on the saturation, the opacity, and the luminosity. So let's change the color. So here you can equally change the color to any color or you want it. Perfect. This is as easy as what you know. So you can also change the colors as well. Change the formation of the color, the brightness, the yellow, and all of those. You can also change any color you want the dress to come out. So you exit from this dialog box. Then you hit Ctrl 0 on your keyboard to go back to normal view. Now you can easily work on this. So if you want to at least make another adjustment on the colors, you can come over to this HSL and double click on the icon. So you can easily work on it and change the color as you prefer. So that's how you can easily change the color of a dress in Affinity Photo. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, click on the notification bell, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.